Did you know that nearly 70% of Americans have less than $1,000 in savings? Or that 21% of adults aren't saving any money at all? These numbers are shocking but true. Our schools don't teach us how to manage money, leaving many of us unprepared for financial success. Money affects every part of our lives. Yet, most of us feel overwhelmed and confused by financial terms and concepts. Imagine if you could decode this language, master your money mindset, and harness the power of passive income. What if you could leverage debt to build wealth or learn the tax hacks that keep more money in your pocket? In this video, we'll uncover the secrets of financial literacy that schools don't teach. We'll explore unique investment strategies, the power of passive income, and the path to financial independence. You'll learn how to navigate the digital financial landscape and much more. Get ready to unlock the knowledge that can change your life. By the end of this video, you'll have the tools and strategies you need to achieve financial freedom. Stay tuned, and let's dive into the world of money management together. Chapter 1: The Hidden Language of Money, Decoding Financial Jargon. Money talk can feel like a foreign language. Terms like April, ETFs, and compound interest can leave anyone scratching their head. Yet, understanding these terms is crucial for making smart financial decisions. April, or annual percentage rate, is more than just a number. It represents the real cost of borrowing money each year, including interest and fees. Knowing this can help you compare loan offers more effectively. ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, are investment funds traded on stock exchanges, much like stocks. They offer a way to diversify your investments without buying individual stocks. Compound interest might sound dull, but it's the secret to growing your wealth. Einstein called it the eighth wonder of the world. It's the interest on the initial principal and the interest that has been added to it. Let's not forget inflation. It's the rate at which the general level of prices for goods and services rises, eroding purchasing power. Understanding inflation helps you make better investment decisions. Net worth isn't just for the rich. It's the value of all your assets minus your liabilities. Tracking your net worth can give you a clear picture of your financial health. Ever heard of liquidity? It's how quickly you can convert assets into cash without losing value. High liquidity means you can access your money fast, which is essential in emergencies. Learning the language of money isn't about memorizing definitions. It's about understanding how these concepts affect your financial life and using that knowledge to make better decisions. Chapter 2: Mastering Your Money Mindset. Psychological Tricks for Financial Success. Your mindset plays a huge role in your financial success. It's not just about how much you earn, it's about how you think about money. Start by identifying your money beliefs. Do you see money as good or evil? Your beliefs can influence your spending and saving habits. Positive affirmations can help shift your mindset. Repeat phrases like, "I am good with money," or "I deserve financial success." It might sound cheesy, but it works. Setting financial goals is another powerful tool. Goals give you direction and motivation. Make them specific, measurable, and time-bound. Creating a budget is like giving your money a job. It helps you control your spending and ensures you save for the future. A study by US Bank found that only 41% of Americans use a budget, yet it's a key to financial success. Automate your savings to make it effortless. Set up automatic transfers to your savings account. You'll be surprised how quickly your savings grow. Avoid lifestyle inflation. This happens when your spending increases with your income. Instead, maintain your lifestyle and save or invest the extra money. Surround yourself with positive influences. Join a financial literacy group or follow financial experts online. Their insights can inspire and guide you. Chapter 3: Credit Scores Unmasked, the Secret to Financial Power. Your credit score is a 3-digit number that holds significant power over your financial life. It can affect everything from getting a loan to renting an apartment. Yet, many people don't understand how it's calculated or how to improve it. Your payment history makes up 35% of your credit score. Paying bills on time is crucial. Even one missed payment can hurt your score. Credit utilization is another big factor. It's the amount of credit you're using compared to your credit limit. Aim to keep your utilization below 30%. This shows lenders you're responsible with credit. Length of credit history accounts for 15% of your score. The longer your accounts have been open, the better. So, think twice before closing old credit cards. New credit makes up 10% of your score. Opening several new accounts in a short period can be seen as risky behavior. Space out your credit applications. The final 10% comes from your credit mix. Having a variety of credit types, such as credit cards, mortgages, and car loans, can boost your score. Regularly check your credit report for errors. You're entitled to one free report from each of the 3 major credit bureaus annually. Errors can drag down your score, so dispute any inaccuracies you find. Building and maintaining a good credit score takes time and effort. But the benefits are worth it. A high credit score can save you thousands in interest payments and give you access to better financial opportunities. Mastering these strategies will empower you to take control of your financial future. Schools might not teach you these lessons, but they're essential for achieving financial freedom. Chapter 4: Investing Beyond Stocks, Uncommon Assets for Wealth Building. When it comes to investing, most people think of stocks and bonds. But there are many other ways to build wealth. Let's explore some less common, yet powerful, investment options. Real estate is a popular alternative. Owning property can generate rental income and appreciate over time. According to the Federal Reserve, the average return on real estate investments is 10.6%. Consider investing in REITs, real estate investment trusts, if buying property isn't feasible. They allow you to invest in real estate without having to manage properties. Cryptocurrencies are another exciting option. Bitcoin, for example, has seen massive growth. From 2010 to 2020, Bitcoin's price increased by over 9 million%. It's volatile but can offer high returns. Peer-to-peer lending platforms like Lending Club let you lend money to individuals or businesses in exchange for interest payments. It's a way to earn higher returns than traditional savings accounts. Commodities like gold and silver can be good hedges against inflation. Historically, gold has maintained its value over time, making it a safe investment during economic downturns. Art and collectibles can also be profitable. In 2018, a Banksy painting sold for $1.4 million, then immediately shredded itself. The act made the piece even more valuable. Investing in art requires expertise, but the returns can be significant. Venture capital involves investing in startups. It's risky but can yield high rewards if the company succeeds. Think about early investors in companies like Uber or Airbnb. Crowdfunding platforms like Kickstarter allow you to invest in new products and innovations. It's a way to support new ideas while potentially earning a return on your investment. Diversifying your investments across different asset types can reduce risk and increase potential returns. The key is to do your research and understand each investment's risks and rewards. Chapter 5: The Debt Weapon: Leveraging Debt to Build Wealth. Debt isn't always a bad thing. When used wisely, it can be a powerful tool for building wealth. Let's explore how to leverage debt effectively. First, understand the difference between good debt and bad debt. Good debt is used to buy assets that generate income, like real estate or a business. Bad debt is used for consumption, like credit card debt. Using debt to buy rental properties can be lucrative. With a mortgage, you can own a property and rent it out, using the rental income to pay off the loan. Over time, the property's value may increase, building your equity. Business loans can help you start or expand a business. By borrowing money to invest in your business, you can increase your earning potential. Just make sure your business plan is solid. Student loans can be considered good debt if they lead to a higher paying job. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, workers with a bachelor's degree earn, on average, $24,000 more per year than those with only a high school diploma. Home equity loans allow you to borrow against the value of your home. The interest rates are usually lower than other types of loans, making it a cheaper borrowing option. Debt consolidation can simplify your finances. By combining multiple debts into one loan with a lower interest rate, you can reduce your monthly payments and pay off debt faster. Balance transfer credit cards offer a low or zero interest rate for a period. Transferring high-interest credit card debt to one of these cards can save you money on interest payments. Always consider the cost of borrowing. The interest rate, fees, and terms of the loan can impact your overall cost. Shop around for the best rates and terms. Using debt to build wealth requires discipline and a solid plan. It's important to only borrow what you can afford to repay and to use the borrowed money for investments that will generate a return. Chapter 6: Tax Strategies: Legal Hacks to Keep More of Your Money. Paying taxes is inevitable, but there are legal ways to reduce your tax burden. Let's explore some effective tax strategies to keep more of your hard-earned money. Maximize your retirement contributions. Contributions to 401k plans and IRAs are tax-deductible, reducing your taxable income. For 2023, you can contribute up to $22,500 to your 401k and $6,500 to your IRA. Take advantage of tax credits. Unlike deductions, which reduce your taxable income, credits reduce your tax bill directly. The Earned Income Tax Credit, EITC, and Child Tax Credit can save you thousands of dollars. Consider the tax benefits of owning a home. Mortgage interest, property taxes, and certain home improvements are tax-deductible. These deductions can add up to significant savings. If you're self-employed, you can deduct business expenses. This includes home office expenses, travel, and even a portion of your utilities and rent. Keep detailed records to support your deductions. Health savings accounts, HSAs, offer triple tax benefits. Contributions are tax-deductible, earnings grow tax-free, and withdrawals for medical expenses are tax-free. For 2023, you can contribute up to $3,850 for individual coverage. Charitable donations are also tax-deductible. Keep receipts for all your donations, and if you donate items, get an appraisal to determine their value. Investing in tax-efficient funds can minimize your tax liability. Index funds and ETFs tend to generate fewer taxable events than actively managed funds. Harvest tax losses to offset gains. If you have investments that have lost value, you can sell them to offset gains from other investments. This strategy, known as tax loss harvesting, can reduce your taxable income. Defer income to a later year. If you expect to be in a lower tax bracket in the future, defer income when possible. This can include delaying bonuses or invoicing clients in the next year. Consulting with a tax professional can provide personalized advice and uncover additional tax-saving opportunities. A tax pro can help you navigate the complexities of the tax code and ensure you're taking advantage of all available deductions and credits. These strategies can significantly reduce your tax burden, allowing you to keep more of your money and invest it in your future. By understanding and implementing these tax hacks, you can build wealth more effectively. Chapter 7: The Power of Passive Income. Making money while you sleep. Passive income is the secret to financial freedom. It's money you earn with little to no daily effort. Let's dive into some strategies to build passive income streams. Rental properties are a classic source of passive income. You buy a property, rent it out, and collect the rent. The key is to find properties in good locations and manage them well. Dividend stocks pay you a portion of the company's earnings. It's like getting paid just for owning the stock. According to Warren Buffett, if you don't find a way to make money while you sleep, you will work until you die. Create a blog or YouTube channel. Once you've built an audience, you can earn money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. It takes time to build, but it can pay off big. Write a book or create an online course. Platforms like Amazon and Udemy make it easy to publish and sell your content. Once it's up, you earn money every time someone buys it. Invest in a business. If you're not interested in running a business, consider investing in one. You can earn a share of the profits without the day-to-day responsibilities. Peer-to-peer lending lets you lend money to others and earn interest. It's a way to help people and earn a return on your investment. Royalties from intellectual property like music, patents, or trademarks can provide ongoing income. Every time someone uses your creation, you get paid. Real estate investment trusts, REITs, are a way to invest in real estate without owning property. They pay out most of their income as dividends, making them a great source of passive income. Build an app or software. Once developed, it can generate revenue through sales, subscriptions, or ads. It's a more technical route but can be highly rewarding. The key to passive income is to start early and diversify your sources. Don't rely on just one stream. The more you have, the more secure your financial future will be. Chapter 8: Financial Independence. Retire early. FIRE, the road less traveled. The FIRE movement is about achieving financial independence and retiring early. It's not just for the rich. Anyone can do it with the right strategies. Start by living below your means. The less you spend, the more you can save and invest. It might mean making sacrifices now, but it pays off later. Save aggressively. Aim to save at least 50% of your income. It sounds extreme, but it's the fastest way to reach financial independence. According to Vicki Robin, author of Your Money or Your Life, financial independence is the ability to live from the income of your own invested resources. Invest wisely. The stock market has historically returned about 7% per year after inflation. Compound interest will grow your investments over time. Track your spending. Knowing where your money goes helps you cut unnecessary expenses. Apps like Mint or YNAB can help you keep track. Find ways to increase your income. This could mean taking on a side hustle, asking for a raise, or switching to a higher-paying job. The more you earn, the more you can save. Pay off debt as quickly as possible. High-interest debt can eat into your savings and delay your progress. Focus on paying off credit cards, student loans, and other debts. Set clear financial goals. Know how much you need to save to retire early. This will keep you motivated and on track. Embrace minimalism. The less stuff you have, the less money you need. Focus on experiences rather than things. Join the FIRE community. There are many blogs, podcasts, and forums where you can learn from others on the same journey. Their experiences and tips can be invaluable. Remember, FIRE is not just about retiring early. It's about gaining control over your time and life. It's about having the freedom to do what you love without worrying about money.